Hi there and welcome to this lecture. In this lecture, you are going to meet Shopify, the platform you are going to use to build your e-commerce website in this course. So why you have to use Shopify? There are so many reasons that make Shopify your best and your first choice to build an e-commerce website. But the most important one is how easy Shopify is. You just have to sign up to Shopify and everything will work easily with you. In this course, I'm going to walk you through how to use Shopify step by step. You just have to follow my steps and you will be able to build an amazing store. Shopify is very easy and very friendly user, and there are many reasons that make Shopify the best e-commerce platform ever. So let me tell you some of them. First, Shopify hosts your website. You don't need to pay extra money for host. You just have to pay for Shopify plan and this is it. Second, Shopify gives you a clear and easy smooth dashboard to modify your store. Even if you are not familiar with working online before, working with Shopify is very easy. 3. Shopify offers many free and paid adjustable themes to design your store. All its themes are 100% mobile friendly user. And when we are talking about dropshipping and about selling products, mobile version is very important. 4. Shopify lets us add infinite number of products and gives us infinite data storage capacity. And this is awesome because when you are hosting a WordPress website, for example, you pay extra money for extra storage data space. 5. Shopify offers site stats and product reports, and this is very important to track down your numbers. 6. Shopify offers wide range of free and paid apps that makes your store stand out. Through this course, we are going to use many of these apps to optimize your store and make it look better. In this course, I'm going to walk you step by step through how to build your store using Shopify. And even if it's your first time working online, you will be easily able to build your store using Shopify and using my instructions. Shopify pricing plans are very direct and very clear, and they don't hold any hidden options. That's it. You pay for your plan and you go for it. And not only that, Shopify offers a 14 days trial, so you don't have to worry about paying any penny in the first 2 weeks. Now let's see together the 3 pricing plan by Shopify. First, you have the basic Shopify plan, then you have the Shopify business plan, then you have the advanced Shopify plan. For now, we are going to stick with the Shopify basic plan, and later on, when you start earning money, you can consider going up to another Shopify plan.